Hello and welcome. I'm Gorgin and today I'm gonna talk about optional chaining. Let's dive in. Imagine we have an object called person and we want to access first name. So we can simply access it person.name.first name. Let's run it. Node optional chaining. This works. But if I comment it or I remove it and run code once more again, we got error because we don't have name anymore and undefined does not have first name property. So to prevent this kind of error, we can add a condition before accessing property. Person.name not equal to undefined. And if I run code once more again, error goes away. Another way to prevent this error is using optional chaining. So instead of writing a condition here, we can add a question mark right before point. And if I run code once more again, got undefined instead of throwing error. Another point about optional chaining is that we can use it for nested properties also. For example, if we want to access university, if I copy it, and degree dot master degree question mark dot university and comment it and run code once more again, we got Oxford. And if I comment degree and run code once more again, instead of throwing error, we got undefined. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and also put the comments below. See you soon.